what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. And we're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. That's the place to be on a weekly basis for all your weekly events. Make sure that you check out their Instagram page for all the hottest parties. And just follow them and give them some support. Yeah. We're going to jump right into it.
Jump back to that song because we're not
Hit and Run by Shenseea featuring Masicka.
Is that Itaramis?
Gangali says it's weak.
Wow.
That's Gangali's opinion.
Wanna listen me. I think when I fuck up my thing with me and Shenseea and me get to a little interview. Wanna listen, Gangali.
Can't do a J-Free.
Gangali, listen me and I mash up me. Remember me and Shenseea good enough. We're in a remish we are forward from, so just don't. All right. Wanna think you hot or a trash?
Song good, man.
It's growing. It's growing on me. I really do
for your first song back on the scene.
Yeah. Back on the scene, she never left.
No, back on the circuit and then drop a dancehall song. A good start.
Yeah.
To start off with chain, so surely can go further.
To be honest, me feel like that song. I agree with Gangali. Like
it weak.
That song has stop at airport because
much about your relationship.
Fuck relationship.
Fuck the fuck out of it.
Single will say.
Why
life?
With you two?
You get what I say? I say that song a week. You know why I say that? Because alright. Would you see this song playing in dance and you have vibes to this and girl boss belong to this in a dance?
Yeah.
In a dance?
In a dance?
Yeah.
Bad man, this more of a commercial sound to it, and I don't feel like it's gonna go commercial. It sound like you know, like one wannabe Sean Paul song.
Alright. It's all me now.
I saw it sound.
I understand. I wanna say the girl run the situation, yeah?
Yeah.
Boom, and she forward back. Right, as me say, out of 10 in a middle. So she's the half with chain.
So the 5?
No, with the ladder thing. So she's in a middle.
On the food chain.
Yeah, she never started at the ground. She right on the middle and she have a feature with. Yeah, and then.
A feature with who?
No, she have a feature
with Masicka.
So with Masicka, yeah. Now I'm trying to be like Jay for pick a side of them something. But yeah. Anyway, no, Panarilo.
And a football game, my boss.
No, she have a feature with Masicka, yeah.
Yeah.
And it go on, you get the right forward, right?
Forward back
yeah,
on the dance.
Yeah, cause like the impact, bro, the song just dropped in January, be a fucking gone. It's a go grow. It's a go better cause if you go on TikTok, people are using specific phrase in the song and a post. When that happen, I got trend. I'm not gonna say that be the hit of the year, but a good start for her. She can't basically she set a benchmark where she the back on the ground. She can't go below that. If she go below that, then God go there. She can't go higher.
But birds, hold on there. Remember, it's not like a up forward in the artist we're talking about. See?
No, but she just a fall up on the
well,
scene,
I know,
bro.
I shouldn't say we're talking about the artists will get some of the biggest collab in a dancehall game at the moment. See? So, remember, she come back in the dancehall scene and she still get one of the biggest collab in a dancehall scene right now with Masicka. Yeah. So, a lot of other young artists would do a better job with that opportunity and not talk the thing straight and say, yo, it just never work out. Remember, she never gone away, you know. I just miracle she did this, so just right there, so. She's still in tune with her music. She never stop music. She just did do some fuckery. And like, when you call a spade, because watch you now. Remember what the Shenseea got foreign. And every blood class song Shenseea sing, me think of New York Shenseea forward from. Shenseea a rap and a twang, and I said, Jesus Christ.
No, but she could, rap was always in her things to do.
She's been doing that.
She's been doing rap. But the twanging business, the twanging part of it, it's different because obviously she's in America. You can't talk raw patois to your fans and whoever, because not everybody I got understand. Me not say if you switch up a thing, but she not go talk raw dancehall, raw patois.
Just so you come on foreign, accent change.
No, you know what I say? A kind of fuckery. Cause watch here now.
She speaks standard English with a twang.
Watch here now. I'm sure you say a fuckery attack. The successful people in a dancehall, right?
Yeah.
Who paved the way and set the thing and still current till now. The Bob Marley, the Shaggy, the Sean Paul, anybody who big, the Peter Tosh, whatever. You know them a twang?
No, that's
because
true.
At the end of the day,
remember,
remember, like, that's what make you Jamaican, that's what make you who you are if you say, yo, you are from there and you represent this. Because no matter how she go over there and twang them, still I say the girl from Jamaica.
Yeah, that's true.
So stop pretend like
I'm not
somebody
pretending.
is.
That was
You ever seen an American artist come at Jamaica and chat patois right through? Then we say 1-2 word because them say them embrace the culture.
DJ Khaled.
No,
it's a joke.
them
it's a
chat
joke.
1-2 word, but them talk in them native dialect.
Yeah.
You get to me and say them talking an American accent. Because, come on, man. Some don't know what the bomb buckler Shenseea got foreign and I go on like say, yo, she's American and this. And no, she fall back at Jamaica because obviously a bag of thing go on because Russians spill the beans and say, yo, them no deal. And a bag of thing found out.
She was in Jamaica before that.
No, she fall back on the scene. She fall back on the scene.
Okay,
But
cool.
at the end of the day, remember, I go on for Shenseea, you know. And I go on like say Shenseea the hot, you know. Shenseea get some big caliber and some big opportunity.
And I think they were
And what the
wasted.
fuck did she do?
But Jagan.
Because I see him time, what you call it? It'll come like say, yo. So, like, all right, if Cartel, the guy foreign, put it like this. I'm going to talk raw. And Cartel gets like some Jay-Z and some Kanye West collab. And then him not get the hit. You know, I say, bumbo clatter, wasting the whole line time. And then waste this. That guy, same thing them they say about Movado, you know. When Movado, they get some collab and tush. And the people them say, yo, the bumbo clatter, go to him, waste him time. Him should have followed Ellie car when Ellie get like a collab them and like fuck it up. And
You know what, Jagan, we leave go so far and I can go back to Shenseea. You just say like that about her. Cool, and she forward back. As Mr. Job right now, me glad the mix. Because really and truly in Jamaica dance, the females are done on it, bro. So in a sense, when she drop back and sing that song there, Jada chase with her matey. Jada not drop my song like that.
Jada attention to
no,
right
but
now.
listen, let me finish speak, bro. She forward back, straight music, collab with one of the biggest artists they say right now currently. And it just dropped. See, you see when the song just dropped? It's like when them drop a song and go number one straight away. You know, means that stated this drop right there, it will grow.
That's what I said. It will grow, and I think it will grow on you as well.
People eat Shenseea because of spice. Firstly,
and it's not about.
Let me finish.
But go on.
Secondly, if you look at the comments and all of the blog them, they must say, yeah, like you forward back here, but where did they are? We still eat you about your song good, bro. Remember, you know, it's matter this like because our next artist, you know, no matter what you do, you know. You have to literally go out there, go campaign. If you fall back, good song, a very good song at the moment, it can be a greater song because time creep up on people. Cause you probably go and dance, go play that, yeah? And see girl throw a basket of money over upon you. You come to choose and say, yo, the baddest thing out there. Bro, some songs take time, some songs instant, and some songs just touch. You know, they know when it's touch, this will take time.
Birds.
Alright, maybe right now, by April, that same song, I go make a change conversation with you today.
All right.
What you bet me?
We can talk some money. We can bet 200 or 300 or 400 pounds on this right now. See? All right. Let me tell you this.
A real bit, man.
Me as a person who love music, I think I have that ears for music, and this song is not going nowhere. Get what I say?
All right, so
Wait a
bit. So you say the song nah go nowhere.
No.
Birds, let him finish his point.
No, my bird talk.
So you say the song nah go nowhere. Me think by April, me say
Yeah.
to get to a point where you are gonna fall
Do you
back.
think the song bad?
It is very good, and it can get bad by
It's very good. What
Very
make it good?
For she for fall back now.
Make no.
No.
Not for she fall back. Do you think the song is good?
Yes, it is.
Like
It
a
is,
good
bro.
song, like
It is, because even
Okay.
Masicka forward in, him do film part. She do fear what she do Shenseea what Shenseea do. Masicka do what Masicka do. And the song is very good, bro.
was playing the song a while ago, and just because may I play for people here, that's why we play make the Masicka part come in because Shenseea part of the song too long and it never really punchy, not no spicy about it song.
Yeah, but
Hold on, birds. Not no spicy about Shenseea part and the Masicka part. You see when song bad, and you have to listen to song or you have to play song in a dance as a DJ, right? Me play that song there to almost 2 minutes a while ago. An average song is 2 minutes and change, right? This song play 1 minute and 50 seconds and I stop it before Masicka done, right? And Masicka do about one verse. So just spread the logic back it. This song not good. When a song good, you want to listen what next man have to say.
all right.
That song ain't not good.
All right, Jagan.
It not good. Stop pretty up. It's not a good song.
This is not pretty up.
I'm not a Shenseea hater, but I'm just saying.
This is not me trying to go against what I say. This is me a conversation. All right, watch this now. Dre Island and Popcorn, yeah. Remember, say Popcorn are the first part of the song, though.
We pray.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And Dre Island is the second part, though.
Yeah.
I say it, though.
No, Dre Island.
Dre
Dre
Island
Island
first.
first,
Sorry.
and then
Dre Island
Popcorn
first, yeah.
forward in.
Dre Island part of the song could just be a song by itself, though.
Mm-hmm.
Then Popcorn part forward in and it pour it up, though.
Mm-hmm.
That's the same thing.
This is not the same
Let me
It's not
thing.
finish.
the same thing.
Let me finish.
Yeah.
You know, they say, could I say Jalen could I sing for your part and the song done and I put Popcorn part drop in, though. Sometimes when you do a collab, that's the one in a collab. Wherever you drop shot, you know, other person.
Your talker phone chip out, my general.
You see that?
Yes.
The other person pick up the part where you drop out and carry the song. That's a
Mm-hmm.
collab, bro. You can't say, they have to tell them to go really ham on it, bro. She do what she need to do, him doing for the fall back to the song. May I tell you from now, I go with to go. The song what she do with Tyrus Riley now, from the start to finish,
That's a good song.
that was a great song.
Light
And
is a very
where,
good song.
where did that go?
Lighter go far, man. Go.
Hold on.
International.
Lighter go with to go.
May I ask you, Lighter?
You go with to go.
All right, compare Lighter to this song.
Can't because
Well,
at the time she had shut the
Hold
dance.
on, hold on, boss.
She had traction
Cause-
then.
Me give you time for DJ. Make me DJ my song now. No.
No, promoter,
Your
no,
verse.
promoter.
Your verse.
All right. So, in compare to Taurus Riley, Lighter and Shenseea, that song, remember that was a good song from the concept good. We
start.
could have relate to it and everything. The start and the little feel up part. That was all right. That little wordplay. But everything is already is normal. Me give a hit a run. Me give a hit a run. And me a like, bomb buckler, you could have second down and like, all me a hit a run. And with the bomb buckler, hit a run.
Alright, Jagan.
Let me tell you
That's
this.
the point.
No.
That's
That's
the
the point
start
of
of the
That's
song.
the story
Hold
of
on,
the
hold on.
song.
That's where the song though.
Hold on, birds. The dancehall game change now. If you're not talking something that is punchy and what makes. Hold on,
Yeah,
boss.
but-
Hold on.
Me disagree
If
with
you're
that
not-
part there. Your
well,
statement, my
Let
general.
me
but
talk,
go on.
let me talk.
Sorry.
I'm finished before you say I disagree. Because
Sing
when
a
I
collab.
say,
Yeah, go on,
Sing a
go on.
collab, sing a collab.
Uno fuck up my chain of thought. All right, here one now. So the whole Itaran is not relatable to the dancehall now, and the topic of the song is not like what's the topic of that song more than Itaran.
So you
Like other some song when I listening to can say bomb buckler in this say this, but you love for rock but chap and some little thing you can say all right. You can hold like a vibe. You can. I don't see this as a song where it's gonna be a song where it's gonna pop in a dancehall scene, and I'm gonna see this as a song that transcend from Jamaican airport to a foreign country.
I think it's going to be more
Dragon.
of a commercial song. Hold on, the
Yeah, but I'm gonna see that transcend not far.
but give it
I
time.
just say stop.
Give it time.
Yes, you're right. That's how there. Watch out.
Give it time.
Watch out.
Can we give it time?
Dragon.
Watch out now.
Dragon,
It's
give it time.
ceiling.
Give
There
it
is
a-
ceiling.
Dragon.
Give it a
And so
time.
when there is ceiling now,
Can I just
I
respond?
drop it.
Can I
Yes,
just
done.
hold on. Can I just respond to the question that you asked? Like, what's the story of the song? The story of the song is that
Wanna move.
Wanna Move is a subtle governor. The
Yeah.
girl say, a foreplay they get in a dog,
And
then
then
you
Masicka forward
yeah,
and that basically I said, me can't take one and move.
yeah.
Basically, bro.
That's if you listen to the lyrics
Yeah,
of the song.
you see you not
It's not a-
sorry. Yeah.
I don't think this song
You're not
is
you're not looking. You see, all right,
It's all right. It's
Well,
not a fuck. It's
well,
all right. It's an all right song. You know, fuck
no,
it. All right.
At this moment, me say it halfway. That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking it will grow.
I think it
All
will
right.
grow.
Is it, it's even going to take.
Quick question.
You're
Hold-
looking for the song to be. This is where dancehall is right now.
Mm.
Everything a drop, you want it to be an instant hit, and sometimes it's not. It is a hype.
Yeah.
We need to understand what is it, what is hype, what is
What's-
popular,
Alright.
what is trending. Cause remember, hit songs, 9 or 10 times of them start off as it.
They grow.
Them grow.
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. Say the new generation now, just shake always be there. Cause when time for them fizz out, you see him sing before,
Yeah.
I got grow up upon the situation.
Mm.
Bro, remember, Shenseea, end of the day, she other have views.
Where's
I know.
Joshy?
That's the about my sing. What
Him
song
a
with
do-
it?
him a do stage
Joshy is
shows.
doing
Joshy
stage
drop-
show because Joshy
Stop
is
Don't-
before you talk.
Hold on.
Josh drop a
Joshy-
song, drop a girl song last week.
But me just said when
Yeah.
last year one Joshy song play
I
a
just said
dance?
that to you.
When last?
Bro,
the question
alright.
is at a party.
No, I'll answer you. There's a song with you, yeah?
In
come-
performance,
well, I know-
yes,
well,
we
I
can
know.
good. Him can perform.
It
Me-
come back. It
we
come
might
back.
answer
It
the
come back to
question
uno
outside.
promote. Sorry, uno DJs, bro. Everything that I seen,
Everything DJ get played.
Blame.
Bumbo
You know why I
clap,
get
DJ
blame?
If a song no good, if the people them like it, we not play.
hold
it.
on, stop.
As a DJ get
Stop,
play,
stop,
to
Jagan,
play
Jagan,
what the
Jagan,
people
stop,
them
stop,
like.
Jagan,
And
stop.
understand that my boss.
Jagan. People them house. I said them I got granaries when I sat there.
Yeah.
A song dropped today. They heard it before you played it, and them like it.
Yeah.
When Friday come to you not like it, you don't play it. Then them got a party Saturday, them not play it. Cause don't like it. Remember, you know, people listen to song before you reach the weekend. Cause the man them song them before the weekend. It's really say a song drop on a weekend. If you really check it out, drop a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. The DJ them now, if they're not in the pocket of the team for promote them, they don't play. Enough time I go dance, a man play some song I go nowhere. Because them in the pocket, license of them and them friend, them play it. Bro, DJ have a big part to play in a dance. Like every time we come back
I know that.
one name over here, Andrew Fresh. Andrew get a song, and know say they're drinking a hot. He didn't reach it yet. Yeah. So him may play it before everybody else and keep on a play it. So he only pick it up and play it now. It give him the validation of saying, and me play it.
And Andrew Fresh alone.
No. I'm saying one person because let me finish, bro. I'm saying one person. This is not about no.
It's not the album launch, bro.
Just make it point.
It's a part 3.
Yeah.
It's not about saying that Andrew Fresh alone, no. Mr. Say, because Andrew Fresh been doing that for years, yeah. Some man have to wait till the song pick up way more traction.
Actually give it attention.
Them running. Some man don't want. Remember, as a DJ, I lead the dance hall. A promoter bring the people and come there. You entertain them.
And I don't want us to stray from the point. The question, are you going to wrap up responding to this section?
I just want to put this in a promoter's term. You know. Something we can understand. As a promoter, if I'm going to keep a party, if people don't like you, I'm not going to keep a party with you. I'm not going to keep a party with you because I say, okay, you have a good concept and you kind of have an idea, you know what you do. If the people don't like you, I'm not keep a party with you because I'm not going to risk it. When it comes on to money and business and rare, as a DJ, it's your business, it's money and all of that. So, if you, me DJ and my boss, me never interrupt you.
Go on.
So, as a DJ, if you don't have certain stake in the business, like Andrew Fresh or Rare, you're going to play it safe a bit. You're not going to take certain risks because, listen, you have to understand, some people can take more chances with them DJ set and people to give them that time to do what they want to because they are a trusted name, right? So like the Andrew Fresh, them and whatever, them can get like a first song from Jamaica and go in a middle one big dance and go test it and say go because people trust them and people don't say, all right, Andrew Fresh that him, know him.
How you take it the name?
Hold on, my boss, hold on. You build that name over time and when you build a reputable brand, when people trust you can do that. So for the younger DJ and people, DJ we are forward, you can't really do that. You have to play it safe.
I'm talking about the established DJs.
And some are established DJ them because
hold
on a dog. And everybody because you have established brand, right? You have Marley's, you have KFC. Marley's have a plate safe. Don't because Marley's only big in London. Let me use something we can understand. Marley's only big in South London, KFC big everywhere. Right. If KFC say we are sell jerk dog, Marley's can't say them sell jerk cat because for Marley's, you would just backfire everybody say, fuck Marley's. With KFC, it's more safe because KFC is a trusted brand where people know what we say is reputable. So like Andrew Fresh, people in London say he's a reputable DJ, we know him. And if Andrew Fresh play 2 gospel, 2 this and him come talk and say, listen, me a boss ask you whatever. People will give him time and listen what him say and make him do what him do. So, Brett, in that term, in terms of some of the songs from Jamaica, where them not play over here because obviously England and Jamaica is different. And as a DJ, you have that ears, I have that I say, yo, that song is bad.
I don't want
to
say from the
I got bust down. Right. Just like a Shenseea song. And in my thought, as a DJ, me say that song then I go nowhere.
Can I say something to you? I said 2 things here, 3 actually.
And then we'll go back to the original point.
First,
you talk of phone in general.
I will about this.
Yeah.
Firstly, you say we're reputable, a promoter, I keep a dance. A Rasta keep a dance. She don't really rip here. She got £5 dance. Me and you will keep £20 now. We don't want that. When the KFA don't rip, you have to go 20 to do it because it show unity, Secondly, a DJ now, we have rip already. If the other man them not play it, younger DJ them will not have confidence to play it. You see me? And thirdly, since you have been dropping music before she get signed, and it's a 2-part third, and people still say she not going nowhere. I want to chop Schengen and something there. Because when people have a side of them pick to the, as I say, the reputable name like Spice, they're going to fight, but it don't work. And thirdly, bro, end of the day, dog, the girl been doing her thing and she never get the crowd regardless, and she been doing her thing.
She get her time.
No, but I'm going to say,
But she's still a girl, dog.
If Spice got America go flap too. Worse than she.
But then,
yet, when she come back to Jamaica, Everybody say, come on, mama.
The love is different.
Them not get them not something to all the one. And when Nara says she's not gonna suck your mother.
But
I don't.
at the end of the day, hold on, the rest. At the end of the day, why people kind of look that way, and when you forget why people look upon that. Remember, say, in terms of Spice Kiss and all Spice get our breakout in terms of the music business. But I'm my dog. Bumbleclad. All right. So, all Spice get fear, name and whatever. She never get no help from no big producer, no have no bowl for money man back her.
She did.
So, hold on, my boss. Hold on. Spice gets a breakout to hit by Carter, just like Shenseea, right? Shenseea get loaded. But Shenseea, they have Ramesh Bakheim, Russian, the foreign promoter, producer. Hold on, my boss. Remember, in terms of opportunity, they come like say, use a youth. You born with gold spoon in your mouth.
Why?
See? That's why I say you and me.
No.
Yeah.
Don't say why.
So,
anyway, sing a song.
Yeah, people have money. You get the best of the best training. You do the best of the best. You over there. So, I have one like a ghetto youth where play upon one look up, rugged the pitch and whatever. And when him come on the big pitch and come on in a stadium, I better ball on you and whatever. You say, Bumbleclad. He make you look bad because at the end of the day, you get the best of everything. You have people who are promoted and should you over this over everywhere. Because remember, Shenseea is a brown and Shenseea is a pretty girl. Shenseea have everything going fair way.
I don't want to stray from
I'm not saying it's her fault. All right, think about it. You feel like say if you swap situation with Shenseea and Jada Kingdom right now, I feel like the Jada Kingdom would be on the international scene. I'm not doubting that for one moment. Twinkle would be an international artist. Twinkle would be a blood clot, big international artist.
Yeah,
I'm not hide and talk.
Who say, yeah?
You think I lie me, I tell?
Who say Ramesh never link her to be on the label? You don't know?
Who is her?
Twinkly Matak.
Oh.
We assuming stuff.
I'm not saying link about who. I'm just saying,
right.
BS and all people talk about Shenseea. It's not about people bad minding Shenseea. It's just because people say, yo, you get all of
the opportunity.
All of the support from dancehall and we call it the big people in a dancehall we have talk. And you never really go nowhere because, all right, think about it, this is one of the reasons why TJ they leave Ramesh because Ramesh should have all of energy and focus on Shenseea. Shenseea go get some big foreign producer him have rush. Remember, dog, because people was foreign thing and say, yo, Shenseea gonna bigger international, but it just never work out for your dog because she go foreign. When not talk the truth, she go over there and lose herself. She go into this American life. Because remember one time, remember when you can't glass over this, remember one time Shenseea come say about the fuck she like, So me just tell you, dog. So as a Jamaican artist, you go up all big foreign program and you talk certain thing. Yeah, let them country. I mean, I say you can't live your life and whatever, But now she come say, she filter what she say because she youth and whatever. Remember, you have a youth on your talk certain thing. So yo, my boy, me could just reason. That's why I say, in a certain thing, me could just talk it things, talk it real and truth.
We want that real? When Shenseea say, enough Jamaican and Jamaica do.
We not say them not do it, so but if you are on a platform, you can refrain, even if you do it behind closed doors, you refrain from certain things. Allow me to tell.
I understand that, but if somebody forward out and says anything where the country have been doing, why are you being hypocritical? You've been doing it. She just say it on a bigger platform. What, you're surprised she say it? But Walla not do it. No, Walla not, what I mean though, yeah? You're practicing the same thing. Like I say, yo, Jamaican like black. But you're going to say, yo, a blue like, But in real life, the Walla like blue. So if you say that, then what is the problem? Bro, people and stuff mix up the artist with the person. Like, them artist life is our like. We probably hate them in person.
I never Shenseea them interview. I Shenseea artists now. I'm sure Shenseea did it on the show.
No, they ask a question. But what I say, we find out some of my time here, you can't mix up them live. This is where I went wrong a few years ago with certain people. That's why I'm not listening to music. Because I say, yo, you cannot sing that song here and act that way. When I realize, say, yo, artists, we say something and do the opposite.
Yeah.
You see me like, yeah, Dragon that DJ and such man as a name. It's two different person.
But the conversation has veered off topic or very, very far from where we started. So I want to bring it back a little. So we were speaking about Hit and Run, Shenseea featuring Masicka that dropped recently.
Good song.
It's some comments were made on Instagram. DJ Hype _80 says it will grow. He thinks it's because she was twanging. Why it doesn't connect with the listeners. And he's agreeing with you in terms of the punch. There was no punch from the get-go, but maybe it will do well internationally. And I mean, yeah.
You know the problem?
I think it will grow.
You know the problem?
I think it will.
You know the problem why Shenseea sang I struggle with you're gonna say that? And not film fault, I'm network fault. Oh no, for start playback song for woman. You see if they was playing woman song all the way through, her song that slot right in the juggling with one go. But can't not play it on the other way. Like and then
So I don't man sang that.
no, well,
a man
no,
tell
no,
the
no,
other
well,
way.
no. But the song is a routine song. It's
The
not
song I
like
said turn the other way.
Jagan.
Rock my baby. Turn the other way.
Jagan. The song of a fucking dancing routine way.
Yeah.
If you that song
It
I
don't
play,
really matter. But
well,
the
I
song is talking
let me
about
finish,
woman.
yeah. That's my point. I come back to when I talk about Bumble Class and Sheseea, yeah, and I sang them on a bench to wall at top career. On a bench to wall at top
My
career.
boss, one to
dance.
450 song them.
And some no, stop
it.
it. No, stop at 450. On a bench to wall at Dexter up career.
Then Dexter not go on good last year and
No,
Tiani and them.
Dexter up on the only person that dancehall history should always been playing. The man sing
But his songs
everything
always play.
for
Dexter
woman.
that song that
Bro,
also play for woman.
Dexter that play
What
as
you
warm-up
talking?
song. Remember,
We sang players warm up.
media dance here. And
Always start
Wait,
here.
wait,
go.
Well, I know.
wait,
Media
wait,
no.
Why you where this a go?
Well, I
Hold
know.
on a minute,
Media
hold on.
Jamaica with
Why
you.
you where this a go?
Hold
Stop.
on.
Media Jamaica
Hold
with
on.
you, yeah.
Yeah.
If a Dexter that play, we probably did Frais on a year. Bagadi did it. Enough of our couple there dance him too, yeah. Dexter that
Ma,
a
you
normal
that argument there,
normal girl song get bench at Jamaica. So when over on the bench them, I kind of understand now. Say,
You hear them bench over here?
let me finish the man. Over here now, yeah. Oh, why would you go on the instrument and say, yo, ladies are your time, bro? When we used to go dance back in the day, you play hype tune, dancing tune, gunman tune. It's the last 45 minutes.
One in.
I eat that. You come to a party or one that girl go up car or whatever. Out over here now, next to that song play, God go with if play or what time you play. Like, you there on party and miss one girl now, yeah?
I mean, I agree with you, Red. Sorry.
Bro, you there on aight.
It might not play as often.
If you play every day,
Remember,
you
you
play
play
with it.
microphone sensitive.
if you got dance with your partner, yeah,
Yeah.
and your partner not dance for anything, but one to the man that was single and a girl was single and shot in front of you, go so, yeah, prayer, I say, you know, want to talk to her, I don't want to flap the thing, and one look at one song and she wait for look at Dexter that part, look at Elephant Man dancing, or look at Cartel dancing, 1 and 2 Alkaline, 1 and 2 Spice, and he did it. And the 1 5 minute hear the whole album and everything in 1 5 minute, everybody won. After you go back to Rifle Bunks and bro, those songs should play to start the thing at the end of every dance. Remember, a woman pay for tickets, bro.
But disagree with this.
It's Fuckery Tuesday.
Brother,
Up on live.
brother, hear me I say, big chain, stay for your holiday, man. Big up yourself.
A fuckery attack.
Jagan.
Yo, well,
Jagan, how much you play the setup song
Right.
for your last set?
Well, I know. Me can't show you because.
No, I said for your last set.
Boss.
For your
Relax
last
now.
set. Uno want us play for
All
upon
right.
record
So,
now.
you ask a question if me can't answer.
Brother, can you not get that
Bridge,
question?
I agree with the part. But
Brother,
all right.
me not dance enough time, yeah? Enough time. I say at Jamaica with them up on the ground as you want to call it. And God bless a song for a girl dance. If I sing a girl dance, a Elephant Man 100 mile per hour song where
Which dances on Elephant Man do? So a fuckery attack again, my boss.
No, man, she exam. Definitely.
Correction again.
First, I'm talk again. Is it
Thank you,
with
DJ.
the twister,
Hyde.
yeah?
I agree with
Juke
that.
Jagger. I know.
No. What I know. That's the tempo they play in songs in
Juke
Jamaica,
jam,
yeah?
juke jam, juke.
No,
That song there?
the one the twister, yeah? Turn around, with that booty,
Yeah.
blah, blah, yeah?
Yeah.
The tempo I'm saying the same, not the actual
I
song.
was dancing, I go to Jamaica.
Well, I know. Bro, I've been over the place.
Because
bro,
if you never play like that at Jamaica,
Jagan.
what about over here?
That's what I said.
So hold on this.
No, let me finish, bro. You know, Jagan, just
DJ,
listen.
cause fuckery attack, you know, but go on.
Listen to me, I say, bro, and stop act like you're more.
I come
ignorant
like I
than
want
me.
pity digging on my boss, you know, like that.
All of me, I say, yeah. When it at Jamaica, me things are all over here, them man, they move like them man, sense. But you see, a yard, see me, you go to any farmer weekly event, they will play a bag of new artists when nobody know,
Yeah.
and then play the hype song them. Up to Monday, the perfect example. When you see on TV, at the last 5 minutes, you see, not the whole lot. It's not the whole lot like if you play football now. 1 and 2 gospel them play, God go with it. Them play gospel for days, and souls and them something which is cool. But you see, you as a man, you fall for look at a girl and try dance there.
Yeah.
That happen.
Boy,
But
birds.
DJ Hype made a good comment. That was the daggering days. Round the part there.
That is still there.
The frequency of the music has changed, and girl songs still a play, but it's not daggering days anymore.
Exactly.
So we have to understand as it understand the evolving of music. Like What do you mean by because we're not playing the
Yeah.
all? Hold on.
Remember, you know, one time at the Rocksteady, I saw them a dance.
That's what I was
Yeah.
about
And
to
then-
bring up.
But
Bro,
hold on. From Rocksteady to
Bro,
Vice Cartel.
Make Rasta sing a
And
song.
no. Let me interview you with the
Cause-
answer. But from Rocksteady to Vice
Cartel.
Cartel, it was still about the woman them. So where it changed from yesterday
Yeah.
to nobody.
No, but it's still about the woman.
Mood. Like a fuckery attack.
There's-
You and your friend them, they get on the rifle bunks now.
Hold on,
By your blood clotting. Yeah, wicked. Like, you know.
Brett, hold on. Because it have one bit of the 2000 where he was just dancing.
Yeah.
One night time I made this
Big
me
up
want to
yourself,
dance,
Brandon.
I know.
Thank you for joining us.
So-
I wouldn't do that. But
No, one night time I made this me want to dance because dance all.
taboo.
Hold on, my boss. Dance all
Bro.
like a skank a skin. As I said, dance all have different era or hero.
Era.
Ara.
Era or whatever you want to call it.
Era.
See?
Yeah.
Era.
So, yeah, right now, I just see young people them time for,
Yeah.
the girl them do the bad man walk and some
No,
bad girl
Jagan.
dance and
The
whatever.
girl- The girl in politics are dancing in the mirror.
man.
And then God dancing can't do it on the road because
But Brett,
we're not giving time.
Brett,
I'm saying, back to what I'm saying here.
Let me talk,
No,
dog.
tonight I'm
Let me
mine.
talk.
Hear me I say, yeah. Just like how I say, yeah.
Rasta, lock off your mic.
You can lock it off. Your phone, yes, my time. Just like No, but I really know. Just like the girl when them hosts listen to all of the songs them, yeah. Them want them are practicing in the mirror and them are put them TikTok up and they say, oh, yeah, God dance, you're gonna play this, you're gonna play rifle walk and all them something till all what him name? Nothing in there. Till all him name? Spangy I do that. Spangy ton dancer too. There's nothing in there, bro. I Spangy ton dancer to blood clot. Spangy. I put on TikTok. Oh, me do that. I'm like, what's that?
You don't do your every day yet.
Who me? No, I don't practice right now. I mash up my dance, man. But the point is, I whining song more for girl and the man them whine for the girl.
Well, and the girl them want to, when we go dance, remember some me can dance, but the girl them want wine.
Why January can't done?
Big
chain say you talk about Guinness and Heineken days,
Big
and Roman
chain,
champagne
big
and
chain.
do it, you know.
Big
That's why
chain.
I tell the dog.
It has changed.
Talk
Things have changed.
about them time
DJ them fuck up the place.
when people used to go dance and buy a blood clot crate. Remember a buckle and table where I buy?
That's true.
Because we look at can't go grung now.
After the pan
Yo.
table.
I want to hear
Light
breaks.
up, light up.
Fuck real
I
talk.
prove it wrong. Or some birthday party, I keep on this party.
A fuck real talk, my boss.
Girl song, 98%. So,
But wait,
say,
on the
look
9th
here.
of February?
no. After,
Okay.
after.
You can keep a party with that.
Hold
team
on,
as a
hold on.
strictly girl song.
I'm not going to do it. No.
Stop them for blum buckle hold on, come. Just
Hold
dance
on, pan the
something.
talker phone them.
Breads, let him finish it. Go ahead, All-Star.
Like,
Go
as
with
what
the
I said,
fun.
dog, you can keep
Bro,
any
I'm
party.
drinking.
Breads,
I'm drinking.
breads.
Not drink no more rum, my boss, because
Lock off your mic.
alcohol, you know. Big chain, alcohol. That's why I said the season of dog.
Yo, Jagan, me get why you fuck. Me glad with that.
January done, no man. January done in
Run day
Jesus Christ
153,
name.
guys.
January can't do it.
So at the
Go
end of the
ahead.
day, like if you want to keep a part with that team, like say, yo, you're doing 90% girl song or 100% girl, whatever you want, that's your team or your party. But you have to understand, you have some songs where
Staple.
it's a staple of dance all there because remember, you know, you have some song make you feel some way or take you back to a moment, you know. Because when some song play, you say, boom, buckler, this just have a happy feeling. All right, look on this now. Look on Street Vibes rhythm. When that me member say, yo, when them rhythm they come out, and Street Vibes rhythm forward out and cartel them are in the building, everybody I say Gaza, and me there youth and me I say, boom, buckler, when them, I remember them time there when everybody a skank and you all a vibe. And the rhythm bad and punchy, you say, so my time I get some feeling off of some new rhythm. You get me?
I'm not complaining.
Yeah, all right. Look on Byron must say a song.
Yes, man.
See? Even though him say what him say, him do what him do. But he was a
talking about
nice
the
song.
Yeah.
And the song nice and you say, boom, buckler is a song you can vibe to. You can sing to
Until
it.
him
People
chat
still,
shit.
people still
Well,
have
I
vibe
know.
to the song.
People
and
still
a
have
party
vibe to it.
dog.
Even
Let's
though,
be honest.
even
Not
though him
greatly
chat
no
sing.
more. Not
Yeah,
greatly no more.
people have vibes to it.
Even though his song
I
attack, about
agree.
badness and whatever, you can go there and scan to it and go that. Remember, you know, be a white people are singing and
True.
them not even know what the blood clot him a talk about.
True.
But it's just the beat and the whole, what you call it, the melody of the
vibe
song.
and the vibe that
Alright,
they
You
Jagan.
just get that good, that happy feeling.
Me ask
You no
you one.
matter what you talk
Well,
about.
I'm asking one question. I'm not curious answer it. Do you feel say when a dance keep 4-hour dance, 5-hour dance? So people in a party from early. We not talk about 1 hour dance. You think say a party for end pan rifle bunks and them dance or the last 45 should be for the woman and them sign up.
It can.
And literally across the board.
It can. It
can.
depends on
It
how
can.
the
Dep-
DJs
dep-
them
depends
play on the night.
depends on the vibes of the people because
When me say any no, When I say any, no,
Birds.
Hold on, make him
when I say
done
any,
him
no,
question.
you keep a party, 80% are female,
Yeah.
20% are skankers or whatever, regular people, dance DJ or whatever, yeah?
Yeah.
Party and swing. Every DJ there from early. When I thought we'll just turn off.
Everybody's on time.
Everybody
Party's
on
going
time.
on. Fine.
You go play some song. You play some dancing song and whatever song and the ding dong and the whatever, yeah. Look a bad man, bo and whatever, yeah. Why? But me I say, yeah. So the last 45 left, you forward and now the girl them said so boom. And I look for you. And you go play it. Ladies, ladies, me a forward tone soon. Take a lady laptop. Yeah. Cause someone love follow people saying. And then them play it 7 minutes or 10 minutes. So when them a girl them a warm up now, yeah, it shift to at sit at dancing again. The girl them are forced to dance because them have to just enjoy themselves. But me guarantee you, every woman in a dance hall, me not dance, me know about the dance, them come out for, I don't know why I'm for the man, for one themselves and go home. Bro, you can't have last for 30 minutes or 40 minutes on dance here, and you are playing song because there's a promoter now. Well, there's a promoter now, yeah. They will tell you say you play good. This is ask anybody. They will say, yo, Dragon play sick. So the promoter now, don't book him again, you know.
Brother, I agree with this.
Brother, me I tell you from Fox, yeah, they will play a girl song and they will never.
Fuckery attack.
That's the next thing, yeah. They will never tell the DJ them to them do fuckery because they say the ratings and whatever, yeah.
Right.
But they will tell you the promoter, say, yo, you not play this for me.
But
bro.
and I disagree with you because
You disagree. I know what they say.
And I'm not a DJ, but this boils down to DJs using wisdom and reading the crowd.
Can't go wrong with girl song though.
You can't go wrong with girl song, but at the end of the day, like if you read the crowd, you can do the rifle bunks, you can still do whining song and still all the party vibes.
All right.
Like,
You know you can't, it's
you
balanced,
don't have
but then
to.
there's
the
balance.
DJs currently don't do it.
Exactly,
but
they
it can
don't
be
balance
done.
it. They don't balance it.
It can be done.
Hold on, let me ask a question. What you deem a successful party? Me ask two things.
A party.
Hold on, my boss.
I'm
I don't ask the question. A party where DJ play a variety of everybody, everything, every kind of song. We'll put song for girl them, some song for thugs them, some song for this. Or a DJ who cater for the crowd and make sure so the crowd is hype at all time.
Isn't that the same thing?
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's not.
Because you have a DJ who can play.
All the
Whole
top
song,
10.
culture, dancehall,
But wouldn't
souls.
Isn't
Well,
that
I know.
bringing hype?
No.
But well, I know.
Wait.
What?
I'm just asking.
No,
May I ask
hold
a
on.
question if
Because
that's not hype?
you have a DJ who can play culture, soul, everything, but it just not relate to the crowd because
Okay, cool.
him play the wrong song, them not relate
Jagan.
at this time
Mixing
and
up
whatever.
and
Jagan.
Okay, cool.
It's
Fine.
not connected to the crowd.
Fine.
Can
But
I
a
answer?
DJ
Can I
we
answer?
can read,
Can I
hold on
Hold
birds.
on, Birds,
A
make him
DJ
finish
will
it.
read the crowd and make sure say him play the right song at the right time, and him read the crowd and say, "Bumbo clad." And then I sing the people them want tonight, you know.
Yeah.
And he mix them way him do. The crowd always depend at high level. Isn't that a successful DJ?
Jagan.
If you look at DJ like
Jagan,
that,
Jagan.
Give your response.
So
Bridget.
Jagan, they say, a DJ, I do exactly the same word on the line there.
Yeah.
They say a DJ will play mostly for the girl them, then some song of that blah blah. They say,
another message.
no, bro, you literally said, yeah, listen clearly, mostly for the female them, yeah, then other song will match it up and make it work. And then they say, our hype party. As a promoter, not a dance keeper, you want the first option. And you just say again, mostly for the females. The reason being why the first
Don't.
Is
I
that- is that
said
promoter's
no.
perspective?
you literally
you
said that.
you
It's
are
recorded.
you are talking it wrong.
You can't
I'm
remember.
saying
You can't remember what they say.
either a DJ will
Yeah.
play fi make sure so the crowd and a hype at all
Continuous.
time.
No, that's one of
A
them.
hype. Hold on, my boss. Or a DJ will play everything. Him play soca. Him play.
Yes,
him,
yes,
hold on.
but
Him play
he-
Afrobeat. Him
but-
play everything.
But
But it's
Jagan,
not on
but
point.
Jagan,
but just I
Jagan.
tell you,
no,
because
I'm pinpointing what you said in the first option.
yeah.
You matter you want it, you know, you record it, we can watch it back and we can post and see it around, we can bet you. You say
Yeah.
mostly for the females. This is what I want to hear. I don't care about whatever you play
Yeah,
afterwards.
okay, good.
Because when tell,
Say anything you want, because I fuck
As-
your talk.
no,
You know.
but
But,
Jagan,
but at the end of the day, it's his opinion. You've asked him his opinion.
and,
Yeah,
he-
well,
and
yeah,
don't
make
try
him
to cheat
talk.
him.
Yeah.
Go on,
Go
sing
back.
a song.
You
His
see
opinion.
when you play for the ladies them, as a promoter,
Yeah.
we know say a woman buy ticket. A woman make everybody get paid at some point, yeah? Because man don't like buy ticket, whatever, cool. Ladies them, if them happy, if a man say one up herself, I'm gonna look at her, no man don't care if him go and dance and I hear no gunman tune. Once you get him a wine and go and him can't try look them. And if him a fail, him know say him try. You see me? This is why most manga parties say woman, just up certain way, dance certain way. When everybody the rifle bunks like a gunman and bad woman, nobody don't want to see that.
That are vibes.
No,
What do you mean nobody
no,
wants to see
there's
that? That's
vibe. No,
vibes.
there's
Post all the
vibe.
thing I go club, I go.
Yes, There's vibes
I
there.
would have
Well,
got Shades or Taboo or
But-
one of them
but
places.
Anna-
I want your dog.
No. Root okay.
I don't go club, me go.
There's no cap here. There's time in a party when, as him say, you need that time there. We know that. But it all boil round and so back to the females. Them. In a dance hall, all the house parties are more man than woman. In a party scene where dance is very good, they must be females. As I say, kids are fair them. Females that come to the party, them have kids, have christening, have birthdays. If you play away, them feel like you want to play, and you should know this better than anyone else, bro. You will get booking from this, yo, me see you play a Ras party, I'm like that. And if you're not going to play like them want to play now, just for the fact you promote it for them, and there's more woman than man in
You're
a
wrong
dance.
there, but me agree if you disagree.
In a promotion world,
stop it there.
the man them use pretty much the same DJ. Them. See, females, them work for art, DJ will play a song with them like. You cannot play one song for the night. They must say, as we say, reminiscing. They say, yo, a long time in all of a sudden, them tell them friends you're good and them call they get bookings. When you're playing out here, you play for the people them and for the person booking.
Yeah, me I done him now. Yeah,
Why?
Why?
No, me I done him.
Dragon, stop drink
Dragon,
water.
don't
No.
repeat it.
I
Don't
done
repeat.
him because I'm not get a next player. Panda feel you're done.
Why?
Watch you now.
This is a sub.
Watch you now. Let me show you a vibe. Most of the most prolific DJs are most of the most DJs where that's affluent and be known.
So what the word?
Affluent.
No, that's not the word.
Just sing a song,
Yeah.
General.
Yeah?
Sing a song. Sing a
Fluent.
No, not fluent.
What
affluent.
what affluent mean?
Eh?
What affluent mean?
Like what people know. What the bomb buckle out there, dog.
Yeah,
We're out there. I want you.
Yeah,
right
fluent.
along.
Cool. Not fluent. Fluent is like when you're talking.
Moving
Jagan,
right
affluent.
along.
Google that. Go on.
Affluent.
Go on,
All right.
go on.
See? Because you're going like me dunce. All right.
Too, bro.
Most of these DJs, right? Because you learn a new word, write that down. All right. Most of those DJs what people know, right? Me can say a thing to you. You have a few DJs known out there or cater for the girl. And I doubt if you have a handful of them where you can say, them DJ well known for cater for the girl them. Most of the other DJ when big out there what people know, I know says a big DJ.
You prove my point.
Hold on, I'm a boss. Hold on, I'm just saying something. Look over here. Which DJ over here we're big, we're well known where you say, Andrew Fresh is not a DJ where you say, oh, he's a strictly girl DJ. When you say Andrew Fresh, you get a bag of girl song, blah, blah, blah. Movie star Johnny, World Boss Lizard, World Power, the Gangster Kid, the DJ Dio, the Capo them, the Sparks them, all like bag. Me can't talk. And I'm just can't go about a few. Me can't go overseas. You can't say Mataran.
No,
You can't say
stop.
boom boom.
Right
You can't
about
say the
UK,
bishop.
right
Hold
about
on, I'm a
UK.
boss. And I'm just share something. So why you think that formula keep working? Why you think that's the winning formula?
It's not working.
Hold on, I'm a boss.
I'm gonna tell you why.
Why you think that's the winning formula? And why people keep on going down a lane? Because at the end of the day, remember, how much woman song make our song for the woman them per year? What where I say is a hot song where you can play. Remember, if 200, hold on, I'm a boss. Hold on, if 200 song make scene for the year where I say hot song, remember you probably have one 80 gunman song, and then you have one 30 party song where you can party, and then you have one next 20 look where you call it reasoning song where you say like the chronicle of them you can hold a meds and you give vibes because you talk reality and realness. Then you have one 20 woman song scene. Look on this. If you play the 20 woman song them all night, what gonna happen to the rest of the night for the rest of the patrons? The rest of the patrons them will come a party. When me and my virgin come a party, scene. Because you have to think about this now. All dancers stop. You have friends and friends come to party. Cruise and cruise, man and man forward. You and virgin forward a party, you forward for have a drink. And when me talk this out, no apology. So my time, and every man got a party if look at girl.
No, that's facts.
Because some man have them woman a yard and them family and them responsibility.
I understand that.
Man got a party for all a vibe and hang out, have a drink and, all a vibe. And everybody go for dance up, because not everybody's about the dancer. So, if you have, in the party, you have one 20% of people who want to hear pay girl song. You have one next 40-50% of people want to hear gun song. Then one next set of people want to hear some dancing song. Then the rest of them want just hear everything. So how you gonna balance that as a DJ? What do you play for? The majority though.
Dragon.
Me ask us, if you was a DJ, what you da play for?
Dragon. Chase song where you just sing have a additional. I forget first part. Should I write it down? Hear me, Dragon. You just say, yeah, man and man go for. We know some woman and some man go to full of vibes.
Yeah.
Them bored and them outside, them
Chill with
stress out.
them, friend. Yeah,
But
yeah.
if you have 100 people in a building, I guarantee you, 75% of them want to dance hall. And a man when I want to dance for a girl, him still not mind say a girl dance. Because man a man, as we say, looking is not a problem, not a crime. You know, party girl, I wind up you want to see it. What you going to do? What you want to go say? It's what it is. So what should I say? You're cheap and by looking? Everybody I look?
No,
Bro.
no.
Nope. Your song sing already now. You have a part few. The point is, Jagan, your father right back to me and say, everything evolves around the female. Yes, me get my point now. You said there's 200 woman songs sing. Name one woman song we're singing at 2000 we wouldn't sing today and still get the same foul from a woman. Name one. Name one. Name one, me say one.
All right.
Name one.
Shenseea Lodi.
Lies. First year
When last
lies.
year that play my
Vanessa.
bass?
No. You are said.
Vanessa.
Me
And
ask
I
you
when
when
last
la-
it play. Because
Alright.
only not play it. If you play a female song,
I'm not a bad man. Shenseea.
because
It's an
the reason
example.
why a female song them still stay powerful, because you lot play them less. So when a woman hear it, she's like, me know me hear it again. So me go hold on pan this and broke out. So Vanessa blink forward of the show with you.
So and she went to
She
Paris and
took
sold
the
out.
fucking show, bro. Like she make over there. She didn't even look like she never that try.
Yeah.
450 come do one bullshit. But Vanessa Bling had a solid 15 minutes performance.
All right,
And,
Brett.
and you know me already, me not give a fuck for care. And when me that tell you about the girl before and other people, man call my phone, dog, call from phone. The whole point is here, she had songs that been 10 years old in a locker and on place and
still
on part.
playing. Yeah.
Once it plays,
There's a vibe.
it's the gunman song them, and even the fat pig pussy hole from wherever I'm come from,
Who are you referring to?
you know me attack.
Oh,
Who? Are you talking about
Piggy.
Byron
Yeah,
Michelle?
Mr. Piggy.
well, on the bumbo clat. Gangool, me like change that word, there, please.
Gangol, big up yourself for that
Not
one.
the Aisha equal rights.
Nope,
bro.
nope.
Change that
nope.
word.
In a dancer, that's what it means.
Change that word.
Gangol,
Equal rights, yeah.
he lose 10 points. But me I say, when film song play now, yeah, yes, okay, it's a go on.
Dog,
No,
be
no,
fair.
no.
Vibes is still in
I
the
said
party.
now. I said not before.
Even now.
No, well, I'm talking no. A gunman song can fizz out. Yeah? It have it run and it fizz and it's okay, it's bad one time. But when you hear a girl song as a man and a girl hear a girl song as a girl, and when she start broke out, you go to just stop by there. The way she want that song is so craving feet, even she tell her fuck her before, she got wine pie
We
because
need to wrap up this topic. So
no, what I'm trying to say, yeah.
2 minutes on the
Female
topic. then
song,
we'll
yeah.
wrap
No,
up,
we
'cause
don't
we
know.
have a couple of
No,
things.
but female song and all, yeah,
Yeah.
would never die out. Once a woman want wine and a man want see it, can't flop.
Birds, I
Alright.
strongly disagree in the point
Okay,
that we
agree.
make earlier
And
on.
that's the
disagree
problem,
today.
DJ,
No.
and a
No.
phone fault.
I strongly disagree because
Everything
like,
a dance a phone fault.
at the end of
Everything
the
a
day,
phone fault. Anything go bad a phone fault. Anything good a phone fault. Everything.
You talk a lot of fuckery a while ago.
Jagan,
in a sense
Jagan,
where
me say, when you
it's
no win,
like, war
when you
up
no
the
win,
point.
yeah, I'm telling you, when you no win, you not lose. Bro, anything go wrong a phone fault, anything go right a phone fault. So you take it 50-50, I don't want to take it and go.
My
Alright.
boss. All right.
Last
Wrap up
point.
the point. Wrap up the story. So I'm just saying like
Man, say,
I
I know.
at the end of the day, like not we are talking valid because like
For you,
at the end of
because
the
you're a
day,
DJ and you're the fault.
There are other persons disagreeing with you on the live.
at,
so.
at,
I
at the-
DJ them. I DJ hype.
my
I
boss,
see him.
I an idea.
We're going to release equal right here and talk
Dragon,
again.
can Dragon finish
Like-
his point, please?
You cannot delegate a party because you say, oh, just straight woman song.
I
or
didn't
most
say that.
woman song.
I didn't say that. You got paid less of them
My boss, like
by far. 1%. And I want spice and that's it.
All right, Breads, we
All right.
literally have 30 minutes for the show to
So,
finish. So, finish
you
this
say we
topic.
play less of them. Like
By far.
if you could count how many
May I call them weekend?
hits woman song or hit song for the
What a
ladies
spice and what a
make
next
last
song.
year
And
or the
about
year
last
before,
year.
Breads, ease out.
and the year before and the year after that, I guarantee you in 1 year it's gonna be double the amount of hit song, or triple or triple the amount of hit song. So that's why I'm saying, Brett, you always gonna have that disparity in dancehall in terms of how much of this song play and how much of that song because you have more of this song hit. and the people are gravitating to that type of music. An idea, if you go dance with the virgin them, and you buy one backlash, one buckler, I not see, or one box, I not see, or one box of champagne or 2 box. You think you wet up the man pan hit and run pan Shenseea them way there. You can't, that's why I said that you can't
See, that's the problem.
My
You
boss-
want see
my
this is
boss,
the problem,
hold on
bro.
now.
You got
I'm
a party
more-
for man.
No, hold on, my boss. The promoter, and you can't say nothing, is a male-dominated industry. The dancehall industry, whether you like it or not.
Go on again, Kali.
It's a male-dominated industry, so you can't go around that. But anyway, wrap up this topic here because, like,
Time is going.
yeah, time is going, and like, I'm not going on with the argument because, like, yeah,